Hey guys, what's cooking? What are we cooking today? Well, I'll show you what we got here. We got this nice, beautiful brisket.
It's fatty.
It is fatty. I'm gonna trim this fat up here, and then we got. I'm gonna try this Pit Boss Lone Star Rub. Salt, pepper, and paprika. I'm probably going to add something else to it, some maybe garlic and onion powder. It just sounds like kind of boring. Then again, we do have smoke-infused whiskey fruit wood.
You probably just use a little of it each, no garlic.
Fine. I'm going to use a little bit of each of this. So I'm going to start cutting into this, and then we'll put some rub on it, and we're going to get out to the smoker. So, yeah, I gotta get a knife. Yeah. You can leave, like, here's a lot of fat on the back side.
Yucky.
Yucky, yeah, but you don't cut that off. You want to leave that in there. But this, some of this top stuff, just cut it off, comes off. Kind of looks like foreskin. Look at that. It comes right off. We've been having such a huge problem with our HelloFresh lately. And since we're not sponsored by HelloFresh, and I have no worries about this, HelloFresh has been completely terrible lately. My wife opened up chicken yesterday, and it was so potent, so rotten, that it stunk up my entire downstairs.
It was nasty.
It was nasty. I'm surprised she didn't gag. About made me throw up. Alright. You want to just leave it because it's got 2 layers. Starting to score right there. That holds in a lot of different stuff. Probably cut some of it off though. So all that fat's still in there. Look, gotta get some of that meat there. There's a brisket connoisseur out there, probably right now going, "No, what's wrong with you?" No, I mean, you want to leave some fat on there, just to keep in some of the moisture and whatnot. So I heard. This would be my 4th brisket. All right. So we got all that up there. See if I can get this off. All right. Never used.
So is this the meat where the video we watched where they go outside and spray it with water every 45 minutes to an hour?
Yeah, what they did is they have apple vinegar and they have water in a spritzer, which I have, and every probably about 40-45 minutes I'll go out there and check it, and I'll spray it down. So when you put your season on there, you want to coat the entire thing. You're gonna get the sides. You just rub it in.
It's gonna be salty. A little salt in that. You use an awful lot.
Well, that's what everything says. I can't open it now. I'll take this camera. Yo! Alright guys, it's what is it, it's like 4:30 in the afternoon. The brisket has been cooking a good while now. I think around 2 o'clock I added some ribs to the smoker. So tonight we're gonna have ribs and brisket. So I just want to take a short little thing to show you where we are at. Alright, so as you see, we're set. It's about 2:23 roughly. Look at that. The ribs on there. Brisket. Spray it down some. And all that does is really just keep it moist and everything. Moist. Yeah, everybody loves that word. Look at those ribs though. It almost looks like a bacon almost. Man, look at that. Nice smoked meat. All right, guys. Well, hopefully this tastes delicious. We're gonna go here, and the next time we will be taking it off the grill. Alright guys, so it's like, I don't know, 5:30, 6 o'clock, and the brisket's done, but we were still waiting on other things to cook, so I'm just gonna put some barbecue sauce over it. Notice it shrank a lot. But I'm gonna let that yummy. Close that up, because we got over here, oh, more ribs and corn.
Smells good.
There's gonna be some street corn.
What is street corn for the people that don't know what street corn is?
Well, most people should know what street corn is, but basically you boil your corn, or you can cook it in a fire all day, and then what you do is you cook it, season it, and then you basically roll it in a crema and sprinkle with cojita cheese. And that's
Yummy.
it's supposed to be on a stick.
It's supposed to be on a stick. Corn on a stick.
Yeah, that's the way, that's the way you should eat it.
Is that how you get it on the street? Is that what they call it, street corn?
Yeah, stick corn. When people leave it on the cob, I don't know. Doesn't make sense leaving it on the cob. But yeah, so that's where we are. So the next step that we're going to be taking, guys, is I'm going to have everything off and we're going to plate the food. So, till then. Alright guys, I kind of forgot that I was making a video. But these are the ribs. Not much left to them. But there they are. My daughter made some mac and cheese, and we actually decided to make our own breadcrumbs, which we used Cheetos and Kerrygold's butter and panko breadcrumbs. Yeah. And here's the brisket, which you can see turned out real nice. Let me show you guys. Finish. So you got the ribs, the brisket, street corn. Look at that street corn, man. Homemade mac. Shit looks good. I can't wait to eat it. My plate's next. I'm going to make that plate and I'm going to eat that plate because it looks amazing. If you liked what you guys saw, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. We're still building the channel, you guys. It's been, I don't know, probably 2 weeks since we posted anything, but we've been busy. If you guys, follow us from our Open Road channel, there's been new videos posted over there. So, like, comment, subscribe below, and stay tuned for more videos. And probably not HelloFresh because HelloFresh sucks anymore. Later.